This is a drawing-free solution for the shipbuilding industry. The following demonstrates the entire process. Click Start on the screen. The station will automatically scan the workpiece by a line skin camera on it. After the scanning finishes, the system generates a point cloud model. Machining drawings will be generated based on this point cloud model. The drawings can be imported into our system, changing into an editable model of working pieces. This is a model that is scaled to the exact dimensions of the workpiece. Click Start after selecting the welding seam. The operation finishes. The station uses a line laser for automatic precision positioning, ensuring good welding quality. Please notice that there is no original drawing during the whole process. Any operator with basic computer skills can learn it in a very short time.